Emakhosini thozani bantwana bethongo. Ngiyathemba ukuthi wonke umuntu uyaphila. Hayi cha, sengiyasabela-ke manje ngoba hayi ningibizile impela. Kudala ningibuza ukuthi siza nini eGoli. So sesiyawuvula-ke unyaka-ke. Now in April, we are coming to Joburg. We are going to be in Joburg. We are going to be hosting Lunch with the Shabalalas in Joburg. It's a one-day event. And sizobe sidigida abantwana bethongo sizobe sidigida impela nje because ngifuna nje nani nizithole seniphekekile because we definitely going to have even a Q&A session where zonke lezi zinto ezinihluphayo nifisa ukuthi nizi understand nikwazi ukuthi nizibuze. We're going to be talking about everything dlozically. Ukuthi like what is idlozi, sishaya deep dive sijula the different types of initiations, reasons for initiations, because siyathwasa but abanye benanazi ukuthi ngempela kuhlosweni ngalentwaso le noma ukuthwasa komuntu different spiritual gifts iphiwe ezahlukahlukene abantu abeza nazo ethongweni noma iqhamuka ethongweni, healing and how our traumas hinder us, relationships edlozini, understanding how to interpret umuntu olethwe idlozi and their purpose. Kuzobe kuningi bantwana bethongo sikhuphuka ngomunye ushuni nje kulenyaka abantu nje mabakhanyiseleke makube kuhle kube mhlophe kukhanye njalo Makhosi
sizwa ngamngoma le ithi
uNkulunkulu akubusise ngesangoma esihlelekile.
Makhosi
into yathwasa yagcoba ibovu yagcoba umcako yakhishwa ngenkomo ethi mo enyangeni.
Makhosi
uNkulunkulu akubusise ngesangoma esisebenza ngeqiniso. Makhosi into engawafuna amanga.
Makhosi
weba ngoma nangiqambela amanga maba manga weza ngoma nangiqambe. uNkulunkulu akubusise ngesangoma.
Emakhosini ayibo nakho ngikhohla Nkosi yami. Asizi sodwa noShabalala. We're actually going to have one of the people that we respect and we cherish so much in our journey, that's been a part of our journey. We're going to be bringing those healers that we honestly feel like nani nizokwazi ukuthi nincele ulwazi nikwazi ukuthi nikhule and niqonde into eningi and understand things a lot better. Also food will be included and we may have a few surprises here and there, but I think into ezikanjalo nizozibona mase senifikile ukuthi okay kwenzakalani kahle. But it's going to be such a great time. It's going to be building community, building relationships, enizokwazi ukuthi nithola abantu engakwazi ukuthi nikhale kanye nabo uyabo ukuthi cha umgo wedlozini omningi but sizoyibamba eqina. Makhosi.